Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining how to create Facebook business account. The process is very simple and very easy. So this is my Facebook personal account and we will create a new Facebook business account. The first step is tap on these dots and tap on this option, Ads Manager. Then it will redirect to the Ads Manager. And here is the homepage of Ads Manager. How can you create a Facebook business account? With the help of this Ads Manager, simply tap on this profile icon. And here is the option, Create a Business Account. Tap on this. And from here you will see this. Write your business account name. After writing this, write your first name and here your last name. And on the last business email address, you have to write your email address on which you want to create your Facebook business account. So with the help of that email, Facebook will contact you, like for verification code and for other kind of purposes, like for ads or something else. I have already created a Facebook business account, so I am not creating other. Once you fill this form, tap on this option, Create. Then your Facebook business account will be created successfully. And here is my Facebook business account. So I am switching my account to my Facebook business account. Now I changed my account to my Facebook business account. What is the benefit of using Facebook business account? There is a lot of benefit of using Facebook business account. The first one is you can run your ads campaign easily with the help of this business account. Tap on these three lines and here are all the tools, event managers, business settings, and order. Like if you have pages and want to give access to other people of your page, and then simply tap on the business settings. And here is the option, Pages. From here, simply search the ID or name of the person on which you want to give access of your page. So with the help of this business account, you can control everything of your Facebook, like ad account, pages, business assets, people partner. So it's a benefit of using Facebook business account. And it was a basic way by which you can create a Facebook business account within a few minutes. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.